Sorry for that. It was a miss thing for the um, no space in my videos. But that was not videos, it was pictures. So, this is, again, well, here's this. It's a package of some sort. Let's open it up. Safety first. Actually, no, take it back. More easier, you can see it. Actually, this is more harder than that, so actually, I found. There it is. There. Look at that. So the company who made these, I want to sponsor, who did the tons of survival stuff. Yep, on here. Okay. Do that. There. It remains we can't do that. Okay, this is a water bottle for water. Yes. And here's the logo of the company. Awesome, right? I put it right there. And have more of these. This time you can do this. Same company as before. Okay. More of those. Man, there's a lot of these. Actually, easy I can do this. Okay, one of these. Put it out. Like, oh yeah. Same company. Same company. And the last and not least, the other box. Look at that. Let's open it up. I need my one is buried, so I should move this away. And I'll put it right here. Back to this. Yeah. There we go. Whoa. Maybe not, but that's it. So have a night. Okay, so this, I want to sponsor this company. So this company is right here with the logo with Alexa Puri. Alexa Puri. I know I think it sounds like French, but it's not really. So have a nice doodly day.